Hey everyone, this is one of many EZSite videos where we tackle the many features that EZSite has to offer. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the template library, focusing on what services, what built-in templates are ready for you to use for your business opportunities. Now, if you haven't signed up yet, feel free to use our promo codes down below to sign up for these multiple tiers to get many dollars off your first subscription, and use our referral link to get to the website as well. With that, let's start this step-by-step video of the templates available in EZSite. As mentioned, we're going to be reviewing the EZSite built-in tools, particularly here in the right sidebar, the AI chat, AI image using Nano Banana, AI video creator, and an AI PPT creator. Now in the home page with the prompt or website builder, you can see these here in the bottom four, so you can access it from there. But it's also here in the sidebar where you can access all the built-in tools. Now here, let's start with AI chat. Now you can adjust this chatbot configuration here. Now this doesn't work like your normal LLM. Rather, it's an AI intelligent assistant that you can provide context and knowledge to. So the only answers it will know is based on the knowledge it is given. So right here, it's given a knowledge base of files that it can support and that it can answer questions to. Now let me pick out a file for it to do. Okay, so what I uploaded was something as simple as an economics, let's say, economics PDF. Now, this PDF can be something more catered to your business, something more catered to, let's say, how you want a chatbot to be in your own website. So the cool thing about this is you can train the AI chatbot to be the chatbot you want integrated into your websites. So you can give it a PDF with all the informations or perhaps the FAQs of your website so that it will be ready to go, ready to integrate, ready to answer customers in real time. So for now, I'm just inputting a simple PDF on economics, specifically annuities, just to see how well it can handle complex problems. So if we ask it, like, what is an annuity? Here, it'll be able to answer directly based on the knowledge base. If we ask it something else, what is ChatGPT? If we ask it something out of the context, it'll still be able to answer general input questions based on normal LLM standards. But if we ask it something that it might not know or is not in your knowledge base, it has tendency to hallucinate, it has tendency to not be able to know the answer. So it's really best when you train it with the best information. And really, it allows you to customize your chatbot much, much faster than having to make and train one yourself. Now, another cool thing is the AI image generator powered by Nano Banana. You can either upload an image as a reference or you can simply prompt it. Now, we can change the model, but let's try with 2.5 Gemini Flash. And let's say generate a let's say a yellow robot. Let's see how well it can generate. Now the cool thing about this is you can have the EZSite tokens for the image generation. So you don't have to subscribe to anything else and you can do it all within EZSite. As you can see, it generated a high quality image using Nano Banana, a highly sought after image generation tool anyway. So this is going to depend again on the API limits or the token limits of your EZSite subscription. But if you want to generate something more, let's say you can generate, what do you want to generate? Let's generate a cute dog, something like that. Something as quick and easy as that. We can generate as much as you want with a subscription, with a proper subscription that you'll get. So as you can see, it generates stuff much easier. This can help you with your content or whatever posts you have in social media or any advertisements. So we can do something like generate an advertisement sign for automation wizard and AI agency providing AI services to businesses. So if you have a reference image, you can do that too. But as basis, you can use it to generate promotional pieces much faster, all in one subscription, making it a lot easier for everyone. As you can see here, it created something like this. You can obviously specify it more. The better prompts, the more specific, the better generation. Similarly here in AI PowerPoints, you can start a new conversation and really have it generate a presentation catered to your goals. Let's say I want to describe the basics of AI to a, uh, let's say, general audience. Let's do 5 slides at most, 5 slides. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate that by itself. It's going to do a little processing to optimize the document as best as we want. And really, if you're in a meeting, if you need to present something right this minute, you're late for a class, you're late for a presentation, you have an important meeting coming up, or you just want good quality slides designed in minutes, then this really is the tool for you. As EZSite comes with so much and even comes with this. So I'll come back when it's finished processing to save some time. And right now it has finished generating the slides. It gives you a simple breakdown of each of the 5 slides it has created. So you can edit as you want. You can obviously edit already the output that it has made, and you can download it as usual. But for now, let's preview what it has made. And as you can see, it makes you a clean, ready to present AI PowerPoint that really saves you a lot of time, especially if you're in a rush or have something coming up and you need something quick, something fast, something easy. So let's go back to the other tools. Now let's also finally look at the last built-in tool of AI video. So this is using the VO tool from Google. You can obviously change the model. You can even use Sora or 1.2.5. And you can change the resolution, the duration of the film, or you can upload a video as a reference for the first frame. But let's try a simple 8-second video duration. And let's try creating, let's say, business commercial or AI agency called Automation Wizard. So the cool thing about AI videos is you can use this to generate content for your social media, create video ads, all in the ease of one site. This uses the tokens available in EZSite for your subscription, so it's really much more convenient to you to have everything all in one place. And from here, once you have your prompt, of course, the more detailed the prompt, the better. And even putting a frame for more context for the tool is better. But with the prompt here, we can just click generate video and just have to give it some time, really, to finish the product you want it to do. Now I'm going to pause the video again so that it's finished by the time I'm back. Now I'm back and you can see that the video has successfully generated. And from here, we can preview it. I'll let it load for a bit. And as specified,
the data flow here, we improve efficiency by 20%.
We can see a full business commercial for the AI agency as specified. So really, if you have a video ad, video presentation, or some sort of commercial you want to make, it's really so easy with AI video generator. And it even does audio within the video. I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but the video comes with audio already generated by the AI. So really, it's really so easy to come up with content using EZSite AI and all the tools that it comes with. If we go back, so really those are the built-in tools, aside of course from the website generation and the other templates that it has here. I'll be going over these in another video. But if you enjoyed the presentation of these built-in AI tools, that will definitely speed up your business processes, then don't forget to click our affiliate link below to sign up to EZSite today and use our coupons to sign up for the tiers that best suit you, to save money, to power your business, and to really implore the power of AI. Thank you.